Trailer-mounted septic units can let a tiny house move without leaving wastewater behind. Trailer-mounted septic units require careful design to meet safety and sanitation needs while keeping portability. Start with a certified mobile holding tank rated for transport and equipped with secure mounts to prevent movement and stress on fittings. Ensure the trailer meets legal towing configurations for your jurisdiction, including weight distribution, braking, and lighting, so the unit can be towed safely. Consult a licensed transporter or engineer when in doubt. Design quick connect plumbing that uses durable, rated fittings and flexible hose with double clamp or camlock style couplers to speed hookup and reduce leak risk. Include proper venting either through an integrated vent stack or a sealed air admittance valve, and fit secure, lockable lids or hatches to prevent spills and tampering during transit. Plan for maintenance access by providing a service hatch and removable baffles if using any treatment media, so routine pumping and inspections can be done without removing the tank from the trailer. Common mistakes start with using a non-rated tank or improvised mounting, which can shift or rupture under towing loads. Prevent that by choosing a tank certified for mobile use and bolting it to reinforced trailer frames with vibration isolators. People often skip legal checks and then face fines or required removal. Avoid that by researching local codes for temporary or mobile systems and getting written guidance from local authorities. Another frequent issue is poor plumbing connections that leak when driving. Fix this by using industry-standard quick connects, hose rated for sewage, and pressure testing the system before every move. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like mobile septic solutions and tiny house setups. We help people find local contractors and allow contractors to find work and discuss techniques with peers in our community discussion forums.